Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today, I'll be sharing one of the best gaming apps to boost your Android and make it feel like a high-end gaming phone, called Game Tweaker. First, let's take a look at the Aggressive Auto RAM Cleaner. Watch and wait. This feature aggressively closes background apps and clears them from the following states: hidden, moderate, background, running moderate, and running low. This helps optimize RAM usage, reduce cache load, and deliver a smoother gaming experience. Simply enter the game's package name to exclude and protect it from being cleaned. Do you see the background app? And see what happens later. All background apps are gone, and even if you open apps, they will automatically disappear from the background. All background apps are gone except PUBG Mobile. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you won't miss our next performance tips video. This app is packed with insane system optimizations, from Surfaceflinger tweaks that make your UI buttery smooth and lag-free, to advanced kernel tuning that pushes your hardware to the absolute limit. It doesn't stop there. It deep cleans your system, optimizes your storage for faster loading times, and even stabilizes your connection for the lowest ping possible. It's like giving your phone a supercharged engine to keep it running fast, cool, and powerful even during the most intense gaming sessions. But wait, it gets even better. Check out the Game Mode API. This feature gives you dedicated, raw power for specific games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, or Mobile Legends. You can downscale graphics for insane, lag-free speed, adjust your FPS to hit those ultra-high frames, and enable native rendering for the sharpest, most crystal-clear visuals. And for those intense, long-hour gaming sessions, the Perf Lab is your ultimate shield. It starts with advanced optimization to kick your system efficiency into high gear, paired with smart temperature control that actively manages heat, stopping your phone from overheating or throttling even when the action gets hot. To keep your performance peak, it uses app hibernation and idle maintenance to freeze useless background apps, making sure every single bit of RAM and battery is 100% dedicated to your game.
Guys, share ko lang to ha. May app akong nahanap na legit talaga. Yung kinikita mo, diretso pumapasok sa GCash ko.
Tired of ads? Unlock VIP Premium Access now for a 100% ad-free experience and max performance forever. If you're looking for the Premium Access code, I've posted the full instructions in the comment section below. Go check it out. We still have 3 slots left for our Play Store testing phase. To join and get lifetime access, please do not post your Gmail publicly. Just comment "I'm in," and I'll personally reply with instructions on how to send it to me privately. For those who have already provided their Gmail, you are now authorized. Simply enter your Gmail in the Premium Login field to unlock all features immediately. Once you enter your Gmail or code, boom, you're a VIP. You can now use every performance button with absolutely no interruptions and 0 ads. It's time to unleash your phone's true potential. Enjoy the speed.